In this session, we'll be basically discussing about biodiversity. Now, when you talk about the biodiversity term, it means diversification among the livings. Bio stands for life and diversity stands for forms. So, life has different forms. It can be in the form of microorganisms, it can be in form of plants, it can be in form of animals. Now, there are various varieties and diversities among these living organisms, so we need to understand that particular biodiversity now. When you define biodiversity, it stands for number and various kinds of organisms found on earth. But those number and those organisms are not uniformly distributed. The number and the type of organisms can depend from area to area. The biodiversity varies from place to place. Now, when you talk about the biodiversity, there are three types of biodiversity seen. It can be among the gene level, which is called genetic biodiversity. It can be among the species, which is called species biodiversity, and it can also be among the ecosystems. We'll be calling it as ecosystem biodiversity. International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources says that around 1.7 to 1.8 million organisms are described so far. In the next session, we'll be basically talking about nomenclature and rules.